Hello, today I am going to be taking you through a Chanel unboxing. So I didn't buy anything big, but I did make my first purchase from Chanel. I actually bought 2 makeup products. So it's not big, but I am really excited about the packaging. So I am going to be unboxing it on camera for you today. So let's just get started. I'm just gonna open that up. Wow. So I have the Chanel print on the top here. When I open it up, the first thing I see is this beautifully wrapped Chanel bag. Little bow on it. Looks really pretty, especially just for buying a few makeup products. And then just a card here. And I'm pretty sure this is just like the gift card that comes with it. And in this envelope is going to be the delivery note, receipt, and the return label. Let me move the box out of the way. This is the bag once again. Chanel on both sides. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so it's a bit of tissue in here. If you look super close on this, you'll actually see Chanel writing like there, just some print. I did get 2 samples with my order, so I got 2 perfume samples. This is Gabrielle by Chanel Paris. I love these to put in my purse. And this is Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. So I'm excited to try these ones out. Okay, so the first product that I bought was actually an eyeliner pencil. So I wanted to try out kind of a more subtle eyeliner. So I did get this in Espresso, which is just like a dark brown. The second item I bought was the Chanel nail polish, and it's in a really nice pink, very similar to the one I actually have on right now. Let me show you the nail polish. I love this color, it's so nice. So it comes with a little Chanel logo stamped on top. When you open this up, this is the actual brush head with the logo on top again. This is the eyeliner pencil. So it's a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and that's the color. So that's it for the unboxing, just these 2 items. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.